I've been waiting all my life for something. You take my love for granted. Say a bunch of stuff you never mean, yeah. I think I need a minute to figure out my limits. You cross them more than once, yeah. You take my love for granted. We keep on talking from body to body, yeah. Getting closer to just being nothing else. I'm a sucker for your love, even though it's kind of toxic.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a rainy day clean with me. I'm going to be focusing on my bedroom and my family room. My family room gets overlooked a lot because we never sit out there, but we've been sitting out there a lot lately, and I noticed that I needed to do some serious dusting and vacuuming. So I'm going to get it all done today, and if you're ready, let's jump right into this video.
And tell you you're fine. I could be lying the rest of the night, but I won't.
So the first thing I'm going to do is change the sheets on my bed because it's that time again, and once I get the bed made, I'm going to dust and vacuum.
I could pretend that you're doing okay. I could give in when you want it your way, but I won't do it, no way, I'm saying so.
If you're new here, welcome and thank you for stopping by. I would love for you to leave a comment down below to say hi and introduce yourself. I'm Tiffany, and I'm a wife and mother of 2, and I create cleaning, decorating, and organizing videos. If that's something you enjoy, please hit that subscribe button and click that bell before you go. I would love for you to join my YouTube family.
You won't believe who he's calling that to. You don't deserve what he's putting you through. It's not your fault, though, no way, I'm saying so. Promise you'll end it the second you can. Promise I'll be here to hold you, my friend. It's not your fault, though, no way, I'm saying so. He's been seeing someone else. He's been paying for hotels. Oh, it breaks my heart to have to tell you this. And baby, I know it hurts. I know it hurts. The faster you realize, the quicker you learn. So don't be afraid to cry every tear you got inside. And baby, I know it hurts. You're taking my hand, leading the way, staying the night. Looking at you, making your moves, there is no silence. I wish you'd never let go. All this moving in the zone, I'ma lose it out of control. Yeah. Looking so sweet, but you're dynamite. I just wanna dance with you. Feeling that burn, I'm not getting out. Yeah. Baby, you make me lose my mind. Maybe you wanna stay the night. Time goes fast, I don't care. I've known you long enough. When we go, we lose track of time. You and I, we can stay inside. Time goes fast, I can't change that. Talk to me, brave, fall for me, brave. Need you to hear me. Never have I felt this way. I hope you. It was so easy when we met. Future ahead of us, making memories. Our only hope is to forget and keep that passage closed for centuries. 'Cause I can't take it anymore. Forgetting what I'm fighting for. And your words just stop, don't hold me back. Don't hold me back. Just let me go, just let me go.
Okay, so now that I'm done with my bedroom, I'm going to move into the family room, and I'm just going to straighten all the pillows back up, and then I'm going to dust and vacuum.
Do what I like, I don't like it. My life is a mess, screaming with boredom. I don't feel nothing when I'm buzzing. Someone adds some glamorous hurt. 'Cause when I sleep alone for insomnia, they say you have to be beaten up before you're tender enough. They say you have to bruise to feel. I chew, I don't taste it. Obsessing over dress when I split. Shoot me a blink, I'm dying from boredom. I even lie when I tell the truth. Honestly, what's the use? They say you have to be beaten up before you're tender enough. They say you have to bruise to feel. I must be made out of steel. Let's see what you can do. You think you're so damn smooth. You better think this through. So let's see what you can do. I know them all the signs. I'm a grown woman now. I don't like to waste my time, no. So don't try me one more time, yeah, yeah. I know you're disappointed that I'm counting you out. I want someone devoted, just the real stuff they count. Oh yeah, someone who's devoted to. Oh yeah, make me feel noticed, 'cause I deserve better.
And now I'm going to head over to the laundry room. I put a load of towels in the dryer earlier, and they are done, so I'm just going to take them out and get them folded.
'Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift from me, wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. 'Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third, then the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with that bedroom door locked. You're like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list. baby, I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right away, got so much time, looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with like a dream to love. You're like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love.
So we have come to the end of this video. I hope that I was able to give you some motivation to get up and get something done. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and click that bell. And don't forget that you can follow me on Instagram at TiffanyMichelle76. Thanks for watching. God bless, and I'll see you in the next one.